Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We talk about branding, marketing and entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in that, follow me and subscribe to this channel. So today we're talking about 10 tips you can use for on your Instagram. Wow, and there's going to be a bonus. So stay tuned to this video. So let's start. Number one, you can animate your text in your Instagram story or reels. This is it. You go to your Instagram. Yes. When you come here, you go to your story, you create, and you type you are amazing. See? I'm coming. Where is it? Oh, come on. You are amazing. So now you can press here. You can also tap here. This dash icon up here. That's what you press. You can see. You can see that. You can see this too. You can see this. Typewriter effect. Isn't that cool? This one, the glow. Yeah. This one. Up and down. Yeah. Awesome, right? A brush effect. That's okay. That's cool. Typewriter too, but with a shade. So now that's just all of them, and you can just press done, and you can post that. Right? So that's it for number one. Our next one is you can archive your story on Instagram, and let me show you how that works. So you go to your Instagram, you come to your page here, you tap the hamburger icon over there, and you see archive. Now you can choose between stories archive, post archive, and live archive. So if you archive your post too, you could do that too. But now this is how my stories have done. You can use calendar icon. So since the past how many years? 2019. So I said 2019. Wow, that time I didn't know this story that time. So and here we are. The progress, yeah. So now this is 2021, and now look at this. Now I can reshare it again. It has passed, but I can reshare it again because you get what I'm trying to say. So yeah. And one thing to note is that sometimes you can post and you know that it's archived. So you go to your settings, save story to archive. You note that there, so that it would save to your archive. Because if I off it, any new story I post won't be saved to my archive, and you shouldn't. It's your choice. And there's also location archive too. So if you put your story tags there, you can know when you posted last or something like that. Now look at this one. It was in Lagos that time, and I put my tag there. Just telling you that. So yeah, share your story as a post. Yeah, as a feature which will be useful. Let me show you how that works. I'm not going to post this, but I'm only going to show you how it works. So now, this is a friend of mine I was talking to about her. So just tap, let me show you. Tap this small here and share as a post. Then now it's going to be normal thing. Yeah. Then the normal way you do everything, processing, and yeah, write your caption, and that's it. Like so easy. Yeah, but now you know that. You're welcome. Now the next one, which is save replies. You can save your replies, so that next time someone comes to meet you, in case you have a lot of DMs on Instagram, you can use that as an advantage to reply to every DM. So look at me now. I have my friends messaging me. Okay, so you come to this icon here, and you come hamburger icon like always, and you press settings, creator, then save replies. Okay, I won't have any save replies. So let's say anytime a new follower comes in, so you're gonna say hi there. Yeah, welcome to my page. I'm so glad you gave me a follow. Much appreciated. And keyboard shortcut will be welcome. Okay, sorry, you can't add that there. So name, that's it. So it's now saved there. And let me look for my friend's struggle. I'm not gonna post it. Just let me show it how it works. Let's go there. I think I've seen my chat. So let's see this. Let's say welcome. You see this icon should there, and that's it. Welcome to my page. This awesome, right? So cancel that. I'm good. Don't mind that. Let's go on. Next one is filtering your tags. This has happened to me a lot of times. One of your friends can just come there and like post on their Instagram on their post and like just tag you there. So like as you know this tag stuff now. Let me show you how it works. This stuff here. Some people just tag you anyhow, and that's pretty rude. So you can manually decide who will tag you on post. So how to do that? You just go to your settings and you go to privacy and you go to tags and you go see now everyone you follow, people you follow, no one. So now my own is everyone, but I manually upload tags. Oh, I didn't do that. It was my previous account I did that. So now anybody that just tags me, yeah, you can do that. And you can edit your tags too. So let's say someone tagged you here. You see this one tagged 20 people, and you can just do this now. You can just edit it. This you can remove a lot of tags there. Like, why the heck are you guys tagging me? Yeah, hide it. But to be honest, yeah, sometimes it's good to be nice, you know. I don't know, just move on. Now the next one is changing the cover of your saved post, like a collection of your saved post. And so now I'm going to use my other account. This is my personal page here. So if you don't follow me, go say hi. I'll really appreciate that. Now this is my personal brand. Yeah, 50 followers. I think. So now I save a lot of posts from people now. These are people I save their posts a lot. So now to create a collection of people's posts, you just press there. That's top class one. You know, you save posts normally. Now create a collection, you just kind of like this, you can just tell this, and like okay. I can create something. So I'm just showing you. I'm going to do that later. Now you can change the cover. Tap on it. Sorry. So yeah, then now edit collection. Now you can change the cover to any of the posts that are there. You can choose less known. You can change the cover again, and you can choose yeah. So that's just it. The next one is you can filter your message. Let's say let's assume you're someone that gets a lot of DMs, and yeah, you don't like that. It's really annoying. So I have a easy tip for you. Just come here. Oh man, my DM is so dry. Message me. I'd like to meet you on Instagram. And comment below which part of this you are enjoying. So now you come here and just press inbox. No, that's not it. You press unread. Okay, I don't have any unread messages. But yeah, if you do have a lot of unread messages, yeah, you can just decide and so you know which one to answer and reply to. Check photos you've liked before. Now this is a very big tool or trick. I found out not quite long. It was so amazing. I was like, wow. And wow, that's nice. So now you just go to this, you go to settings, you go to accounts, and you go to posts you've liked. Easy as that. So I say assuming you like the post before, look at now, I just like my friend's post now, it's there. Wow, look at how many followers. Happy for him. Yeah. Guys follow me too, so I can also do my milestone post. And now yeah, post you like so many. So that way you can always, how do I put it? You won't miss a post you've liked. That means if you didn't save it before, you can always find it. But take a little bit more time, so that's the only thing. And now the next one now is post you've deleted. Let's assume it happened to me. I posted the video on Instagram and I was like, wow, I made a mistake. And I deleted it. I also deleted the draft file, like boom. I have the post again on my phone. Yeah, just come to account back and go to recently deleted. And now they're going to stay there for 30 days. So as you did the post maybe 5 days ago, you can always find them back, and yeah, that's boring. So you can see that. So next one is there's a new tool on Instagram where you can remix reels. Yeah, and that's the next thing I'm talking about now. Tap this 3D icon here. Okay, this one can't do it.
feature called story pins. Like anything.
Okay, this one can do it. Not all posts can do it though, so you have to be very aware.
Okay, I think I got.
Private to do that. Okay, what's going on? Okay, let me go to my friend's account and use that. It doesn't do real. Let's choose Jessica's post. And she does use a lot. Okay, now remix this reel. And yeah, start a new video. Was I doing a video before? Look at a new video. I forgot it. And you can see now it's like TikTok, just like do it. And so now this. Yeah, so that's what it is. Then from there you can just move on and process the clip. It is loading, yeah. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, a subscribe to the channel would be really helpful. Thank you. Isn't that funny? So now you can also edit the audio. So now your audio can be higher. Because I can hear my voice back. But I'm not going to post that. If you really watch the end of this video, I really appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing to the channel if you haven't yet. And if you want any new content you want me to upload to this channel, or questions you have about branding, marketing, social media marketing, any type of marketing and entrepreneurship, just ask me in the comment section below, or message me on Instagram if you don't want it to be open to the public. So I would answer you immediately as soon as possible. Thank you. I love you all for watching this video. Thank you all very much, and to meet again next week. Boom.